can summarize the actions which they have pointed out in their speeches, that what they are going to do. So practically they have um, managed to have some kind of peace force in the Gaza Strip, which is international stability force. So there was a lieutenant general who addressed that issue, that we have a collaborative force. Then they are talking about representative of the representation from the Gaza. So they are also mentioning that they were also mentioning about the police force comprises of the people from the Gaza, and they are going to be trained in Egypt. They are also talking about some kind of governing body, like the local governance body being established in the Gaza. So these all are very concrete and good steps if they could be like applied in the Gaza Strip. And if uh, we want them to apply, we need the representation from the Gaza people. We need their consent. We need to tell the people what is piece of their peace plan and what this board of peace is, because we, even as Pakistani, we still don't know what is the frame of reference and frame of work for this Gaza board, and how this is going to be unfolded in the future. So everything is kept in dark, and the tidbits we are getting from these type of meetings and the speeches, that yes, this is what we are going to do now. And how they are going to do, we don't know. They have not given us any framework, they have not given us any time frame. But the only thing which they are talking about, that there is going to be some substantial actions, such as establishing the law and order by the for the Gaza, by the people of Gaza. Then we are having some international stability force. We don't know that who is going to be part of that stability force, because we only have this information that Indonesian has volunteered 20,000 soldiers, but other than that, we don't know that. And what will be the mandate of that stability force? Will that be chartered by the United Nations? And who will define and who will give them the instructions about the differentiation between friend and foe? So soldiers cannot operate on their own. They have to have some clear instructions about and for how many time, what will be the time frame they are going to stay there, and what about those red, yellow, and green lines? And if they are talking about the construction of Gaza, so how that construction is going to be, and who is going to pay for that? There are many questions. There is This is a chaotic situation, but